Today, we're tackling a common problem: how to keep your large home fresh and clean. With air pollution on the rise, investing in a good air purifier is essential. So without further ado, let's dive into my top 5 picks for the best air purifiers for large homes. I hope this video helped you find the perfect air purifier for your home. Remember, clean air is essential for your health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home improvement tips. So let's get started. Number 5. Coway Airmega AP-1512HH True HEPA Purifier. The Coway Airmega AP-1512HH is a popular choice for air purification, known for its effective filtration system and user-friendly features. It's designed to purify air in medium-sized rooms up to 874 square feet. Key features: True HEPA filtration. Captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores. 4-stage filtration. Includes a pre-filter, deodorization filter, True HEPA filter, and vital ionizer for comprehensive air cleaning. Air quality monitoring. Continuously monitors indoor air quality and adjusts fan speed accordingly. Auto, timer, and eco modes. Offers flexible operation to suit your needs and preferences. Filter indicator. Alerts you when it's time to replace the filters. Number 4. WINIX 5500-2 Air Purifier for Home Large Room. The WINIX 5500-2 is a popular choice for those seeking to improve air quality in medium to large-sized rooms. Key features: True HEPA filtration. Captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. PlasmaWave technology. Helps reduce airborne and surface germs. High deodorization carbon filter. Effectively removes odors and VOCs. Air quality monitor. Continuously assesses indoor air quality and adjusts fan speed accordingly. Auto mode. Automatically adjusts fan speed based on air quality. CDR rating. HAM verified for rooms up to 360 square feet. The WINIX 5500-2 is a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and efficient air purifier. Its combination of HEPA filtration, PlasmaWave technology, and carbon filter makes it effective at capturing various pollutants. Number 3. BLUEAIR Air Purifiers for Large Home Room. The BLUEAIR 311i Plus Max is a popular choice for those seeking to improve indoor air quality in medium-sized rooms. It's known for its sleek design, quiet operation, and effective filtration. Key features: HEPA excellent technology. This advanced filtration system captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores. Air quality indicator. Provides real-time feedback on indoor air quality. Smart features. Control the purifier using the BLUEAIR Friend app for added convenience. Quiet operation. Ideal for bedrooms and living spaces. Sleek design. Complements various interior styles. Its combination of HEPA filtration, smart features, and quiet operation makes it a popular option. Number 2. Honeywell HPA-304 Air Purifier for Extra-Large Rooms. The Honeywell HPA-304 is a powerful air purifier designed for extra-large rooms. It's known for its effective filtration system, strong performance, and ability to tackle a wide range of pollutants. Key features: True HEPA filtration. Captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Large room coverage. Cleans up to 2250 square feet in 1 hour. Allergen and dust reduction. Effectively removes allergens, dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. Odor reduction. Includes an activated carbon pre-filter to help eliminate odors. Energy Star certified. Efficient operation without compromising performance. Improves indoor air quality in large spaces. Alleviates allergy symptoms. Reduces exposure to pollutants. Number 1. LEVOIT Air Purifiers for Home Large Room. The LEVOIT Vital 200 SP is a popular choice for those seeking to improve air quality in medium to large-sized rooms. It offers a blend of effective filtration, smart features, and user-friendly design. Key features: True HEPA filtration. Captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Washable pre-filter. Helps extend the life of the HEPA filter and reduces maintenance costs. Air quality monitor. Continuously assesses indoor air quality and adjusts fan speed accordingly. Smart Wi-Fi. Control the purifier remotely using the LEVOIT app. Sleep mode. Quiets the unit for undisturbed sleep. Timer function. Set the purifier to operate on a schedule. Choosing the right air purifier depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider factors like room size, desired features, and noise level. Remember to regularly change filters to maintain optimal performance. Thank you for watching.